Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to make one of my favorite Filipino desserts, Maja Blanca. These are the ingredients. First, mix 1 cup cornstarch and 1 cup water in a bowl until smooth. In a pot, combine the coconut milk, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and corn and mix well. Set the stove to low heat. Stir continuously to prevent it from sticking to the pot. Now, pour in the slurry. Now that it is done, transfer the Maja Blanca into a container. You can serve this warm or cold. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss more Filipino treats. See you next time!